In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital planner in Notion. We'll build a clean workspace you can use every day to manage tasks, events, and habits. I'll walk you through creating the page, styling it so it feels like yours, structuring a 2-column layout, setting up a task database, adding a monthly calendar, and finishing with a simple habit tracker. Open a new page and give it a clear title, such as My Digital Planner. A good title makes it easy to find and motivates you to use it. Start with a blank page so you can place each piece exactly where you want it, and keep the first screen uncluttered to make planning feel inviting. Next, customize the look. In the top right menu, enable small text and full width. Small text keeps things compact, and full width gives you room to breathe, which is especially helpful once you add multiple sections. Add a cover photo that sets the mood and an icon that represents productivity or your personal style, so the planner feels like a space you want to return to. Now set up the structure. Use the /column command to create a multi-column layout. A simple approach is to keep navigation on the left and your main schedule on the right. Place links, quick notes, or shortcuts in the narrow column and reserve the wider column for your daily or weekly plans. This separation keeps scanning and decision-making fast. Build your task list using a database. Type /table and choose New Database. Add a date property to anchor each task to a day. A status property as either a checkbox for done or not done, or a select field if you prefer labels like to do, doing, and done. And add a priority property so urgent items stand out. Keep task names short and action-oriented, and group similar tasks together to reduce context switching. For a visual overview, type /calendar to add a monthly calendar. This is ideal for birthdays, deadlines, and events that need a clear spot on your timeline. Click a date to add an entry so your schedule and commitments stay aligned without crowding your main page. Finally, create a simple habit tracker. Make a separate table or gallery and add checkbox properties for each habit, such as water, workout, or reading. Treat each row as a day or week, and tick the boxes as you go. Keep the list modest at first so you build consistency before expanding. That's your Notion digital planner, clean, flexible, and ready for daily use. Thanks for watching.